start for the Batman, but that won't happen. Here comes the Pittsburgh once again. That'll be Nicholas Bird. Fourth and final transfer spot. Him and Whitfield going at it.
Ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to stop.
Low side and 1 and 2. High side and 3 and 4.